So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut lagging. So sometimes you have this problem where you are trying to do a project but CapCut is so laggy that you cannot do anything with your video, so it's pretty annoying. There are a couple things you can do with this problem. The first thing I would recommend you to do is you just click on this modify right here, and here you're gonna have the details of your project, and you just need to go to performance and turn on this proxy. So if it's turned off, you just turn it on and you just click save. Then the next thing I recommend you to do is you go to this menu and you just go to settings, and you will be able to see the cache size. This is basically storing the downloaded images, the downloaded stickers, effects or transitions. You're gonna still be able to use these transitions, and you're gonna also have your favorites saved. You just need to click on the download icon again, so it's not gonna delete anything important. So you just need to clear the cache, and you need to close the project before clearing the cache. So I'm going to show you. We're going to close the project and we're going to just go to the settings icon here, click on settings and just clear the cache here. Another thing you need to do is just click on the menu, click on settings and go to performance. You need to turn on the proxy here too. Another thing you can check is you need to go to the home page and you go to this icon and you just go to the version, and you can check for updates, because it can also be the problem that CapCut is not updated to the latest version, and if there are any updates you just need to update the app. Another thing you can do is just go in the project, next to the ratio you just click this high and you can choose the quality for the editing. So it's not an export quality, it's just for the editing. As you can see, it says no impact on exported video. So with that you can absolutely make the editing process a lot smoother. Alright, so all in all, this is how to fix CapCut lagging. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.